see like what all these things I have. So I'm using this recording studio only to record this, to just demo how things are going on. I'm going to use a whiteboard. This we had already listed, so you can actually draw anything. We have added some charts out over here, like you can use whatever thing you want, like some shapes, pre-configured shapes are there. Like you can use your rectangle and all these things we have added recently. You can import any image from your machine. Then also, like you can add a we have improved, like you it's easier to work with text when you're explaining things. So it works seamlessly, and very smooth it is, the experience. Apart from this, like this is the recording tab. I'll go to another tool which we have added, which is mind map. So if you look at this mind map, now again I'll just maximize it, and maybe I'll put this down. So here if you look at this mind map, right, so the things we have added is, now if you say tab, it will generate the child. So I'll just do tab, and it generates the child, and you can choose the style. So here I want, like, this is the child, so it should come on the right, right? So this is the kind of, now here I have a new idea. Then if I do tab, it will create one more child. If I say, like, here it says enter, if I say enter, it will create a new sibling. So again, enter, enter. So you can see, like, the working with these, plus like you can just lift it up, and you can place it anywhere. And here you have delete option, so you can just click and you can say delete, and it will delete that particular node. And then undo is there, so you can do control Z, it will undo. And here what we have added is, like, you can see what all commands are available to scroll, and what shortcuts are there. We have added it over here for new beginners. And you can always export it to SVG or PNG, or you can discard the whole like map if you want. So this is another thing which I wanted to show you, which we have added recently. Another thing is content publisher. Now this is a very strong feature. Basically, when you are a content generator, you want, like, whenever you are posting the comment, it should automatically be posted on different channels. So here, like, you give it the context, you give it what you are posting about, you can add your description, you can add your link, media, video or image, you can upload whatever you want. And then you can set up your LinkedIn, like wherever you have connected accounts, right? You can link to your accounts, you can save your details over here. And automatically when you click on this, it will generate, adapt with AI for different it will. So, like, for example, on threads you cannot have a very long content, so it has a like some limitation. So based on different platforms, it will generate it will rewrite your content, and it will give you the option where you can modify it. And then it can, you say publish, it will publish it on the various you know it will publish it on the various accounts. So this is one feature. So if you're a content creator, a lot of time is wasted when you're generating the content and you're pushing it to various platforms. So this is basically something which we wanted to demonstrate. And we are continuously growing. So here you can see, like, we have added the concept of all courses, you can see. And then once you have added the courses, you can actually you have the option for search and all these things. Plus, like, currently I'm in the admin account. If I log in, I can sign in, and I can log into the teacher account, wherein I would be able to edit the. I can see my courses which are there, and I can build them, or this is a published course. So we have to. So these are various facilities. So if you log out, you log in as a student. It has different more functionality. So here, like, for these tools for students. They have to buy these tools, like this is the tool store, they can buy the subscription for these tools. And even these courses, like for example, machine learning with Scikit. So currently she's not enrolled for the course, like the student, so she has to enroll now, add to cart. So all these features are there. So this is a complete learning platform, and we are adding more features wherein like you can go to your profile. And plus there are other things which are coming up, like a recommendation engine for the course catalog, and all those things we are working upon. Thank you.